In our minds, canned food is often labeled with labels like contains preservatives, not fresh, not nutritious, and unhygienic. Many people believe canned food is unhealthy, but in reality, all of our long-held stereotypes about canned foods are wrong. Let's start with freshness. The freshness of canned foods might even be surpassed by that of fresh ingredients. This isn't nonsense. Canned yellow peaches. From picking them from the tree to sealing them in the can, it took only 6 hours. Because canned food is mostly made with fresh, seasonal ingredients, locally sourced, they are much fresher than the supermarket produce that may appear fresh but actually undergoes difficult transportation and is at risk of spoilage or contamination. And let's talk about those predators everyone dreads. Sorry, canned food really doesn't need them. Not to mention that canning predates preservatives by a long way. Today's sophisticated sealing technologies, canning, venting, sealing, sterilizing, cooling, and so on, far surpassing preservatives by a long shot. Is adding preservatives a waste of money? Unless the boss has a lot of money. Go to the supermarket and you'll find that any canned food produced by a reputable factory has a very short ingredient list, free of confusing chemical additives. Furthermore, according to the GB to 760201 for food additives standard, preservatives are strictly prohibited in canned fruits and seafood. However, some people might argue, since it's sterilized at high temperatures, it must be less nutritious. This is even more absurd. Chinese people cook at temperatures exceeding 180 C, while canned food is processed at a maximum of 121 C at this temperature. Research by the German Institute of Eco-Nutrition shows that, with the exception of heat-sensitive vitamins B and C, most protein, iron, calcium, and other substances are not lost.